Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to add Visa gift card to your Uber Eats. So first of all, you need to open your Uber Eats app. Once you will open the Uber Eats, you need to click account on the bottom right menu and then click wallet. Now you need to scroll down and click add payment method. Then you need to choose credit or debit card. And here you need to enter your Visa gift cards information, your card number, expiration date, CVV, your country, zip code, guys, and nickname is optional, guys. So once you will enter all of this information, you need to click the next button and save your gift card as a payment method, guys. But if this is not working, you can do another thing, guys. You need to go to add payment methods page again, and right here you need to choose gift card. Then you need to enter your Visa gift cards code inside the section and click the save button. Most likely one of these two methods will work and you will add your Visa gift card to your Uber Eats account. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.